So this is the compound light microscope, and here we have 5x, 10x, and 40x magnification. Tell me something about different parts of the microscope fast.
So this is the stage,
Yes.
and these are the adjustments for the stage. This is where we keep the slide. So this is the arm of the microscope, where on this end we have the eyepiece, and these are the objective nose piece, which has boarding objective lenses of different.
Yeah, 5x, 10x, 40x. These are the different magnifications of these objective lenses, and here it's an eye lens. And this is coarse adjustment findings. One thing is, like, talking about magnification is very easy to tell you that whatever is the magnification of an objective, you multiply it with the magnification of an eyepiece. Like it's a 10x and 10x, that makes it 100 times magnified tissues. If you're using it a 40x here in an objective, that will and 10x as this, the eyepiece, that will magnify it into 400 times. Okay, so this is how, and that we need to fix the slide with the help of these state adjustment buttons, right? And everybody knows, I think even undergraduates know how to focus a slide. And you can see the tissue